everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make our Vanilla Fig Lemontini. Just gonna open the jar, remove our sugar and spice packet, empty that into the jar, and then I like to use vodka for this one, but of course you can use any spirit that you like. We're just gonna fill the jar to the very top and put the lid back on. Give it a good shake, and then we're gonna let this sit at room temp for 1 to 3 days. And then we're going to strain it. I have one here already made, ready to go. This has been sitting overnight. And we're going to strain that into this pitcher here. You can use any kind of strainer you want. I'm using this little tea strainer. And this is a festive drink. I mean, it's good any time of year, but it's really fun during the holidays too. I like to go ahead and chill that one, then add it to a martini glass or champagne glass, any type of beautiful glass, and then top it with champagne. Beautiful drink. You can make it even more beautiful by topping it with a dried lemon. Cheers.